The much-awaited GST and Lands Act reform have now been pushed back by at least 3 months. With 4 days left for the monsoon session, the Parliament resumed in full strength with the Congress left alone in its protests. RJD, NCP, JDU and the Trinamool Congress decided to abandon the Grand Old Party and say no to more disruptions. But the damage had already been done. While the Joint Committee on the Land Bill sought more time to finalise its report, the constitutional amendment for GST faced a similar fate, pushing the progress on these reforms till at least the winter session in November. For the GST, this just means that the implementation from April 2016 is more unlikely than before. While the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi justified its stance, citing lack of propriety in the government, which has backed tainted ministers, the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley squarely blamed the Congress for being a roadblock to economic development.
Even when the UPA was in power, economic growth had ceased to be a priority for the Congress party. Some policies which were inflicted on the then government by the Congress party president were directly responsible for slowing down the Indian economy. And today it is clear that when most political parties want a discussion to be held, the Congress party has taken a maximalist position that it will not allow proceedings to be held under any circumstances. On behalf of the government, we are constrained now to observe that the issue of Sushma ji is merely a pretext. The real motive of the Congress party leadership is that they don't want the constitution amendment on the GST to be passed in this session of the House. They want India's growth story to suffer and are making a full endeavour in that direction through its disruptionist politics.
I've asked a very specific question to Sushma Swaraj ji. There are financial transfers that have taken place between Lalit Modi ji, who is a criminal wanted by different people, and your family. Please explain to the country and the people of India, आपके बैंक अकाउंट में, आपके परिवार के बैंक अकाउंट में ललित मोदी जी का कितना पैसा आया है? सीधा बता दीजिए, हाउस चल जाएगा।
जिस मामले में सारी स्थिति ज्यों की त्यों खड़ी है सदन में, उस पे कभी हमने नहीं देखा कि जो रूलिंग पार्टी है उसकी तरफ से जो हालात बने हुए हैं, उन हालातों में कोई भी बीच का या अलग तरीके का रास्ता आपने कभी नहीं दिया। ये अलग मीटिंग भी होती थी, जो यहाँ हो रहा है वो उस मीटिंग में होता है। तो जो चीज़ें हैं वो फंसी हुई हैं। असली ये है कि इसमें जो अपोजिशन ने मांग की है उस पर कोई बीच का रास्ता या और कोई रास्ता आपने कभी सुझाया नहीं।
सदन की कार्यवाही ठीक ढंग से चलनी चाहिए, तो इस बारे में खास तौर से जो सरकार है या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है उनको पहल करनी होगी।
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi or his ruling party is not prepared to face the Parliament on reality and truth. Why should be afraid for a adjournment motion to be discussed? That is what we are demanding.
अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी ये समझती है कि या सिर्फ मेरी ही राय चलेगी और सदन को किसी के ऊपर नहीं चलने दिया जाएगा, तो ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है ना। सरकार की ओर से हम पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आगे भी करेंगे, लेकिन हमें पीड़ा होती है उनके आचरण को देखकर करके।
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.